Good afternoon, my dear students. Ngasina mo aikoina interference ka diffraction ka gi khenaba manaba mayam do adoi marakta tausi yengo manaba point sing hana khanasi manaba point ta nahan interference su central maxima do brightest oigani ado diffraction da su central maxima do bright oigani aduga ko point of similarity ai hargengo number 1 ayeng paikada point of similarity ani khak eu interference ka diffraction ge hang pai ai number 1 da central bright fringe is brightest in both the cases. Number 2, fringes are formed because of the process of interference in both the cases. Aduga fringes sing form tawe karina ani du makta interference thokpanani. The point of difference between interference and diffraction ga interference ka kari khena ge do mu yengasi. Interference di na khoina coherent wavefront ani mokoidu superpose tawrkanda thoki ko no interference thokpada aduga diffraction dana kaidoba ngasai coherent wave tugi masingje yam large number of coherent wave oigani aduna yengo interference occurs when two coherent waves superpose each other sine interference ta diffraction dana if there is a large number of coherent waves interfering one another we get diffraction sine aduga interference di fringe gi apak pase moisi loi managani ba diffraction da di manadeba ko ana yengo in interference the fringe width of dark and bright are the same dark ka bright ka gi fringe width sing se loi managani aduga diffraction da di all the others have same fringe width atai di loi pakwa manai aduga central maximum is twice the width of the others atopa singdugi twice oigani mana central maximum na khwaiden pakaneba aduga interference central maximum si khwaiden na brightest oigani adu intensity se tam na handharakaneba the central maximum is the brightest then intensity decreases symmetrically but gradually tam handharakani aduga kano da di diffraction da di central maximum se khwaide na brightest oigane aduga yam thuna sidani ba mai da di central maximum is brightest and the intensity dies out rapidly yam thuna sidagine ba sumai tawdana yang point of similarity hangba yai the point of difference da hangba yai se mark ani ahum da loi hangba ya bangak tani ko adai di yang ase resolving power ase kaino do yengase karigumba object ani khak mabani marki separation je yam daba adubu ai min na yengba matam da mabani se just separated oina uradi mado resolve tawba aina kauneba pot ani khak yam nakna na leiba pot ani khak nakchenna na uragadi aidi amaga nanjina na uradi madu resolve tawdaba kauni kudamoina to aina khoina mangda se utke to se sida ahambagi se pot ani si tokhai na ai min a uba ngami sigi diagram se ko anama se just resolve kaweba aduga to se sida si hariba ani si amaga si tokhai na ubangam de masina unresolved kawe anaujik yengasi two objects are said to be just resolved if the separation cause separation haigadam ni noisem do separation between the central maxima of their diffraction pattern is just equal to the distance between the central maximum and the first secondary minimum of any of the two objects to secondary maxima separation ani dui marki central maxima gi arapa se se uri se siga is equal to kana mana doiba the distance between the central maxima and the first secondary minima adu secondary minima ga adu first central maxima ga first secondary minima ga adugi distance ga manarabadi haba aduga the smallest separation between 2 point object at which they appear just separated is called limit of resolution. Limit of resolution na isi kaino bu pot ani khak ko mawani marakta just separate oina ubase masi smallest separation khwaidai naknaba separate oiribado madubuna object ani dui maraktugi point do adubuna kai kawe limit of resolution kawi of an optical instrument and reciprocal of limit of resolution buna is called resolving power. Limit of resolution gi 1 by limit of resolution buna resolving power kaweba. Dawji ngasi Rayleigh's criterion for limiting resolution. Si ngasi aina ngasai haigre well resolved tikaram kan haiduineba the separation between the central maxima of the two object ani dugi central maxima gi ani maraki arapaduna is greater than the distance between the central maximum and the first minimum of any two object to ani sigi maraki arawo siga sigi central maxima and first minimum ani du maraki arapadure yana lauragadi madubu well resolved aina kaune em pakhada well resolved just resolved unresolved se adum khangjalo adum hangba yai the next tauji resolving power of microscope amagi resolving power noina hawai ai optical instrument ki matang da yek pai takre ko adura microscope amagi magi resolving power se kari no habadom yengasi it is defined as the reciprocal of least separation between two close objects so that they appear just separated when seen through the microscope aduna microscope amagi magi resolving power si the least separation d is equal to lambda by twice mu sin theta. The mu is the refractive index of the medium layer. The resolving power of the microscope T1 by D na pirani. D is the limit of resolution duni. Twice mu sin theta by lambda si oigani to yengsi to se layer. Kayumbo objective mitna yengdoiba objective to see oire en khaladi se microscope ki objective to laire sai sida object to laidoini asai lens na object to the same angle du theta duni madu gi value du khangaga ne akoina resolving power of microscope se si laire se resolving power of microscope twice mu sin theta by lambda silere to the resolving power of microscope see increases with the increase in value of refractive index of the medium to mu na increase tawringai ma mathakta laiba maramna mu increase tawdi resolving power su hengani value of refractive index of the medium between the objective and the object. Object ka objective ka marakta lairiba magi refractive index to madugi value heliga hengani. So oil immersion objective microscope are used to achieve high resolving power aduna marakse si object si leire adai objective ki lens si leire si marak si atopa refractive index hen ba pot ama hapa kanda resolving power se heli adana maram oidana marak se oil thau gumba kai gumba so hapna yeba oil immersion taweba resolving power henaba the resolving power of microscope increases with the decrease in value of wavelength handering gai su wavelength of light use siznariba wavelength to handering gai su resolving power so heli karina ma makhada sigi value se lambda se makhada leiba maramna ko so ultraviolet light are used for illuminating object to achieve high resolving power aduna ultraviolet light siznai such microscope are called ultra microscope aina kawi to sejda yang paikada no koida hangba yaba question ani yaure amana resolving power si kaigumba oil gumba amda lupsaladi magi resolving power kam do boyai sum hangba yai dai kaigumba da ultraviolet light sizinaba di resolving power de kaidawi natragana nang red light sizinabaga ultraviolet light sizinabaga kanana hena resolving power hen gani sumba question mayam hangba yai ko still higher resolving power is obtained in electron microscope adubu hena resolving power phabadi electron microscope kumbadana heli sima khoi khange aduna sibauda na khoida resolving power kaino resolving power adi kaineba aina sa haigibado kaigumba yam naknana leba pot ani tokhai na separately phajana uba ngambagi ability do adu resolving power kawe ko now next resolving power of telescope amu tawrasi resolving power of telescope it is defined as the reciprocal of the smallest angular separation between two distant objects so that they appear just separated. To yam lapa pot ani khak mabani se just separate oina uba adugumba ngamba adugi dubo khoina resolving power of telescope kawi adana it is defined as the reciprocal duni of the smallest angular separation between two distant objects so that they appear just separated. Aduna limit of angular resolution d theta equals to 1.22 lambda by capital D, where D is the diameter of the objective of objective by the telescope ki object lom thangba lens to adugi diameter. The resolving power of telescope C 1 by d theta na p equals to capital D by 1.22 lambda sini. Resolving power of microscope or telescope increases when light of smaller wavelength is used. Lambda na makhada leba maram na kaidawi resolving power se wavelength apik pagi sinabana he na increase tawgane. Hojik yengasi telescope ki resolving power of telescope increases when the objective of large diameter is used. Objective si large diameter D si mathakta leba maram na objective si large diameter si na ringai resolving power hengani or light of smaller wavelength is used to see the object. Si la resolving power of telescope. The Fresnel distance. Fresnel distance kaino yengasi. It is the minimum distance a beam of light has to travel. Mangangi sabunna mana satkadaba kwaide na tenba distance neba kwa before its deviation from straight line path. Mana chacharamba path dagi paithorakpado madu yaudringai paithokdringai bawi mamangi lambendo. Minimum distance kwaide tenba lambendo ni straight line path becomes significant. Aduna mana chachariba lambendu madugi duna hek paithokdringai mamangdani Fresnel distance ZF is equal to a square by lambda si oigani. Sumain tawdana nakhoida ko tongan resolving power tae hayeng paikhada nakhoida hangba yabase yam laigre aduna sibauda nakhoi hayeng paikhada di question mayam arise tawba yai what is resolving power adagi limit of resolution kaino dagi kaigumba resolving power si on what condition does the resolving power increases noi da hangyari se ko sumai tawdana makhan gi loinana nokhoi gi namang da piriba formula mayam do madu seasoner kanda nokhoi hayeng resolving power gi angka mayam ma microscope as well as telescope ki hot pa yare sidana tana ngasai ai nokhoi da interference ka diffraction ga kari khenai adagi similarity na kaino sumai tawdana mayam ma ai takre ko aduga taiba singdo adu khangjalo the release criterion kaino limiting resolution gi sumba sisu khangjalo adu ngasi gi di swaida loisalas